slope, architectural design. The rise to run ratio of the roof of a house determines the steepness of the roof. Determine the maximum height in the attic of the house if the house is 32 feet wide. So the house is 32 feet wide, but the half of the house, because here it indicates that the half of the house is 16 feet, because half of the 32 is 16 feet, and we have to determine the height of the attic h. We already know here the steepness, the slope, according to these figures or these numbers, what are indicated in the figure. The rise is at 12 inches, the run is at 12 inches, and the rise is at 4 inches. So this here we can write, let me take one pen here, this here we can write 4 inches, 4 inches, because rise is 4 inches, divided by 12 inches, divided by 12 inches. And now slope, usually we denote the slope with the m. Let me denote here with the m. What is the slope? And we already know if we take this 4 inches, we divide by 4 inches, is going to be 1. So we are dividing with 4 inches on both sides, because it can be divisible in both sides. 4 inches by 4 inches is 1. And 12 inches divided by 4 inches is going to be 3. So the slope is 1/3. We already know, if we want to find now the slope of this ratio is h over 16, then this is equal with the slope. So, and this ratio, we can write 1/3 is equal with the h divided by h is the rise, and the run is equal with the 16 feet. So this here we can solve now in the terms of the proportion of the ratio. The proportion of the ratio is h divided by 16 is 16 feet. Let me write here 16 feet. And here I just forgot to write the 16 feet. It's better if we write this way. And this is equal with 1/3. So now we are solving this in terms of the proportion, 1/3. What we can do here, we multiply everything by 16 feet, everything, hold this equation, and when we multiply this 16 feet times h is h times 16 feet, divided by 16 feet, here remains just h. So, but in other side, 16 feet times 1 is 16 feet, and let me write here 16 feet, and on the numerator, or the bottom part of the ratio, is 3. And now we can use a calculator here, and we can divide here 16 feet, 16 divided by 3, which gives 5.333. So we already know 5 indicates the inches, is h is equal with 5 feet, 5 feet, and we can write 5.33 feet, or if we want to convert in the inches, we write just 5 feet, and the decimal number here, let me make -5 because I need just the decimal numbers. 5 is 0.3333, and I want to convert into the inches. I multiply this by 12, and let me see what we get. We get 4 inches. So it's 5 feet and 4 inches. So the height is 5 feet and 4 inches. So this height here is equal with 5 feet and 4 inches. So we already found out how much is the maximum height of the roof.